What's up, boys? We're back again, continuing the grind on the E39. If you haven't watched the latest episode, this is what we got done. This is what they call an eternity project, so this will probably take a long ass while. So I was thinking I'm just gonna set up the GoPro and time lapse, grind the whole day, see how much we can actually get done in one day, and yeah, that's about it. So I guess I'll see you boys after the time lapse. Let's begin.
Morning
What's up boys, I'm done grinding for this video. I think this video is going to span over like the course of 3 days or something. Not grinding the whole days, but grinding a whole bunch. This has taken some time. And just quickly before we look at what we've gotten done, I would just like to show you guys what I'm using to grind, because some of you guys might wonder. I'm using 2 angle grinders so I don't have to change attachments. So I'm using like a big wire wheel, these multi-big cleaning things. I also bought this air tool, which I use a wire wheel on, and also these cleaner things. This is so nice for all the tight spots. But if you have been following me for a while, again, you'll know that my compressor is kind of shit because it blows the fuses all the time. It's just because it's too big. And yes, I have a slow start for the thing, it just keeps blowing up the fuses. I think I have to get new ones. I have 16 amps, but I think I have to get 16C. Or wait, 16D instead of 16C. I'll try that later. I'm so thankful of me buying this mask right here. I bought this thing for when we were cooking. Oh, sorry, I mean when we were removing rust with acid. So it's a like really nice mask, keeps you away from the elements. But yeah, let's dive right in. So as per usual, the purple parts you see here are what I've ground down, then put the rust eater and primer on. So all of the purple parts here we have grinded. Basically like the whole side of this car. Now, I haven't gotten into this side. The other sides don't look so bad, but since I am removing and replacing the rocker panels on this car, I have not begun to even do anything here because I think we'll cut some shit off. And I will wait with doing these outside parts when I actually have the rocker panels. And thanks to my Patreons, we have rocker panels coming in really soon. Also rear arches have been ordered and some more parts. But yeah, let's move in further back. I've done so much grinding, I don't know what you guys haven't seen or have seen. This part's grinded, I started doing this part. But yeah, I decided I want to get one of those drills where you can drill out the spot welds, so I can remove pieces like this to get in really good under this. And then I can just sandblast this in the cabinet. And I just haven't went to the store yet, so I thought I would just wait with finishing this whole section until I can actually remove those parts and get it really good. Same like with this place up here. As you can see, I have to weld in a new piece of metal. And that's why I haven't painted it right there with the rust eater thing. I have to remove that, weld in something new. I also have to do that under here. And I think 1 or 2 other places. I haven't really begun on the wheel wells yet because the rear arches are pretty rusted. I thought it would be best to just begin doing the whole wheel wells when we do the arches. Now let's get the fuck out of here because I kind of get claustrophobic, my guy. Man, the shit you have to deal with to get a semi-decent looking car. Other than that, shop's looking like a total mess. Leo pulled his S13 in and I just got a bunch of stuff laying everywhere. So I thought that now when I'm done recording this video, I would just spend half an hour or something to clean the place up, get it looking nice again. See, we got the fucking tire here from the 30K video. One of Leo's tires. Sheesh! This one's quite the looker too. Anyway, yeah, that's about it for progress. This video took a long ass time to make, and I don't really know how this will go on YouTube if you think this is cool to watch. But this is the kind of shit you need to do to have a proper build, you know? This is how it just gets done. Ain't no other way to it. I mean, you could do it more seriously, but something like this has to get done at least. So that's kind of what I'm doing and all I have to film. So as I stated earlier, if you have any suggestions on camera angles or shit I could do to make this more funny to watch for you guys, leave a comment down below. If you think this is just fine as it is, leave a comment down below. Maybe thumbs up the video. I don't know, if you liked it, leave a thumbs up down below. Really helps me out. Or I don't know, leave a thumbs down while you're still able to. If you want to find my Patreon page or my Instagrams right here down below. And other than that, I just wish you guys a great day. Have a good one, boys. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.